Welcome to Louisiana Gardening Family, and today we got Guillory's Louisiana Homestead helping us get some raised beds for free. You can come back if you want. Uh-oh. Come on back so you don't stand. That's good. So you don't get stuck. All right, so they're helping us get some raised bed boxes that we've been wanting to get, but money is a little tight. So these things are heavy, but they're free. So we're gonna unload some of those today. And of course, everybody knows this guy
How's it going?
from our previous videos. A little stronger than me. I ain't that strong. Just let it on out. Oh, shit. Right here.
You want it further that way or this way?
No, because I gotta push the lawnmower around it. Once I move that, give me some space to cut grass on. So these are not pressure treated, but heat treated. If Miss April, you could show them
The heat treat stamp.
yeah, like all the little
here.
stamps inside. So that,
Oh, you can't really see it there.
you can see the ones that's inside on it.
Yeah.
Or you can press to, yeah.
Yeah.
So from what and it's on these boards on the outside, so
Yeah.
these things too.
And you can catch it this way. Where you want the next ones? Behind those in the same row?
Yeah, just in the same row.
I'll back up some more so we less carrying.
So if you see on here, I actually Googled these HT. I think if it's pressure treated, it's gonna be a PT. Heat treated, it's HT, and they have something else.
There's another chemical.
So that's BT, and that's the one that you really don't want to grow in. It says really not safe. It's this international thing. From the reading that I did on it, it's if they're doing like if somebody has a motorbike and they want it in France or something. So it's a way, it's some kind of
To keep the bugs and
bug
parasites and stuff from
that's
transferring.
in the wood. Yeah, they don't want it to go from country to country. So they have to heat treat it to, I think it was like 200 or 140. It's some degrees I read on that. They gotta heat the wood up to, I guess, to kill the parasites and the bugs out of it. But it's just regular wood, but heat treated. So we're gonna try to finish unloading some of this, and y'all come watch. All right. All right. There's only that little one spot right there that's so Bebs is not here. I thought she was here. I don't know where she went. I need to call her. She got away from me. I don't even know where she's at. I thought she was inside.
She ran off.
Yeah, using my camera girl.
The guy brought us the camera for that.
Yeah, see? Mr. Guillory bought us a camera lady today. Which, she is a worker like, oh.
Or outside.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. And then I can mess with it
Is
later.
that far enough away from the path?
Yeah. It's good.
That's the next short one there. Oh, it's time to fill that hole in.
Wow. It's gonna be a lot of dirt, a lot of compost, a lot of. Mostly I start with like the stick.
Yeah, sticks,
Like
twigs. Throw them in the bottom and get smaller and smaller.
Yeah.
And throw the compost in. Move this and put the big one sideways.
Yeah, that's gonna be the last one probably.
And then you get the other small one. I'm gonna put it. Guess you wanna go over on the other side. Underneath that you'll have the dirt will be up higher. This will give you something a little bit of shade, so you can do something like your broccoli and things like that in there. Alright. There's a big one. Roll it straight back. You already got the compost.
What is that thing?
Like that. That'll remind me to bring that under that thing.
Yeah.
Sitting out here is like out of sight, out of mind. Right. Let me go down. Let me just.
Back in the hole again.
I just stepped in that hole 3 times straight.
We got a nice little garden area here.
I ain't stepped in that hole though. Yeah, I don't want it too far. Kind of like the same as that piece of concrete you see right there by your foot.
Yeah.
That's cool. Trying some good shade love and stuff.
Yeah. We have a lot of those.
Summer. Oh my god.
Definitely a workout.
So she was, thank her for doing the camera for us, right? She does do work, so I saw she was kind of helping us earlier.
Yeah, usually
Gotta
she,
love women that can
helps
help.
us load this stuff up.
Thank you so much. And we'll load that Charmin back on, huh?
Yeah.
Man, that looks good. Look at that. Hey, that look like I just built that.
I know, see?
You see all the work I just did? Just built all these. If I was
15
on
minutes.
If I was on YouTube and I wanted to lie, I would just show all the boxes that I just built.
Make sure you pull the tags off first.
Yeah. I wouldn't show none of my stamps, none of my heat treated stamps. I would just say this is all untreated wood. I just put these together. I came to these corners and I nailed them in. And then I came outside like this one and I screwed them in. I would tell y'all I did all of that, but then somebody on the channel would know that I was lying. So I'm just gonna tell y'all that this guy got us these boxes to help us get the rest of this finished off. So this is like the best boxes we ever did on the channel, because everything else we paid for,
Yeah, this is all free.
and this is all free. So thank y'all.
Tell them to check with their local windshield and glass companies.
Oh yeah. Tell them
Where all
how
this
you actually So in your area,
Yeah, wherever you're located at, check with any of your local glass companies. These are actually mirror boxes and glass panes that they cut to make windows and doors and pretty much anything and everything. They come in these giant sheets of glass and they're padded in here with styrofoam and crated up. These are the actual crates of them. We just repurposed them.
sounds good. So check with your local glass companies. From what I hear, they're willing to get rid of these things because it's just in their way, and they don't
have
do
to pay to cut
gardening.
'em up.
Yeah, so they'll pay to cut them up, or they'll let you take them away for free off their hands. So I've heard. So we've seen now. So thank you to all the glass companies in America for buying your glass in these boxes, I guess. Thank y'all for watching today's episode, Louisiana Gardening Family. That was a good episode. I didn't even plan on this today. So he called me this morning and said he was going to get these and help us out. So thank y'all. Guillory's Louisiana Homestead. I got to say that again. So go check his channel out. Go support the guy as he's just supported us. Thank y'all for watching. And as always, grow, grow, grow.